Hey folks, welcome back. I hope you've had a good week. We've had a great time here with my folks. They've been super helpful and just done so much for us this week on the house. We've got so many little projects done and big projects for that matter. And we're just super grateful that they were able to come over and help us so much. We went up to the North Coast a couple of days before they left to Downhill Beach, which is one of our favorite beaches up there. You can drive onto the beach when the tide's out, and we did our usual of making toasted sandwiches and enjoyed those on the beach, had a bit of a picnic, and it was a lot of fun. The kids loved it. They absolutely loved that place. And of course we drove up and down the beach. We actually drove all the way to the end this time for a change. We've never done that before, so it was pretty cool to see how long the beach is. It's a massive beach, and the kids absolutely loved looking through rock pools and looking for jellyfish and all the other things. So yeah, it was great fun. And this week was a big week. Straight after the beach we picked up Rihanna's sister Charmian, who's staying here for a couple of weeks, and it was Rihanna's birthday on Thursday, which was a big one. So this is her final year in her 20s. It feels like the end of an era, and next year's a big year. Rihanna and I are both 30, so it feels like we are slowly approaching that status of being proper adults. So that's coming. But yeah, I'm super grateful for Rihanna. Our kids absolutely love her, and she's absolutely bossing mom life and raising these two little tiny humans. But I hope you are all well and take care of yourself. There won't be a video for a couple of weeks just because I am away and we've got a bunch of stuff going on. So yeah, I hope you take care, and we'll see you in a couple of weeks.
Oh, good job. Oh, what's in the box? Oh, nice new shoes for Mummy. Aren't they nice? Thank you. Oh yeah, that'd be nice, hey? Ah, I see. Now this is... Oh! Thank you very much.
Can you hold this?
Okay, I'll hold that. You gonna brush Mommy's hair?
Okay.
Oh, good job, Jax.
Thanks, babe.
You're gonna backcomb it. Oh. Awesome. That looks great, bud.
No, that's not.
Go down, Jax. Go down.
Thanks, Lily.
Go down. No, not up, bud. Down. You happy, Lily? Is Mummy happy? Does she like her presents?
I do, thank